Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, dear friends. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fit and fine. Now I'm standing in front of camera and making a video as my practice. Today I'll talk about Dajjal. Do you know about Dajjal? Did you listen the name of Dajjal? I think you know that. Who is Dajjal? Who is he? Why is he created by Allah Ta'ala? Is he good or is he bad? We have to understand that. Dear friends, what is the structure of Dajjal? What is the sign of Dajjal? How will we know Dajjal? How will we understand this is Dajjal? So actually we have to read about Dajjal and we have to learn the verses of Quran and Hadith which is written about Dajjal and which is revealed from Allah Ta'ala and Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Dear friends, Dajjal will be a man. Dajjal has some ability which are miracle. Actually, he has ability to give rain. He has ability to stop rain. He has ability to kill someone. He has ability to revive someone. This miracle work is given. These miracle works are given Dajjal for taking an exam from Allah Ta'ala. Allah Ta'ala has given these miracle activities. Why? Why has Allah Ta'ala given these activities? Actually, Allah Ta'ala has given this miracle activities Dajjal for taking an exam from Muslim Ummah. Dear friends, Dajjal is a man. Dajjal is a person whose forehead and chest will be white, whose right eye will be blind, whose left eye will be swollen like a grape. He has no children. So he has no children. It is the sign of Dajjal. Dear friends, how will we be free from the fitna of Dajjal? How will we be free from the trial of Dajjal? First way to be free from Dajjal, we have to read more and more ayat and hadith which is revealed about Dajjal. We have to learn about Dajjal. We have to acquire much knowledge about Dajjal. We have to be aware of Dajjal. So it is the first way. Second way, we have to do amal. Which amal will I do? Which amal will we do? Actually, a amal is memorizing the first verses of Surah Kahf. or last verses of Surah Kahf. We have to memorize the first verses of Surah Kahf or last verses of Surah Kahf to be free from the trials of Dajjal. Dear friends, it is Amal. Surah Kahf is a great surah. Surah Kahf is a wonderful surah in the Holy Quran. So we can recite the first 10 verses or last 10 verses in every Juma or every day. Dear friends, Dajjal is the name of terrible. Dajjal is the name of harm. Dajjal is the name of destroy. Dajjal will come to destroy Muslim Ummah. Dajjal will come to remove Iman from the Muslim Ummah. Dajjal is a terrible, is a destroying word for Muslim Ummah. Dear friends, so we have to be aware of Dajjal. We have to be aware of Dajjal. Actually, I'm practicing English and I am doing many types of wrong, but I don't stop my video. I don't cut my video. If I cut my video, so my practice will not be proper practice. If I cut my video, I can create a beautiful video by cutting, but it is not proper practice. Without cutting, I have to practice. Dear friends, so we have to be free from the fitna of Dajjal, from the trials of Dajjal. Dajjal's forehead will be white. What is forehead? This is forehead. This is forehead. There is written 3 letters. One is Kaf, and one is Fa, and one is Ra. All kinds of people, from literate and illiterate, all kinds of Muslim people from literate and illiterate will be able to read these 3 letters. Actually, the man who has a strong faith, he will understand that is the Dajjal. And weak believer will fail in this exam. They will believe him as a creator. Dajjal will force people to believe him as a God, as a creator. Firstly, he claimed he is Isa alayhi salam, as well as he will claim him as a God, as well as he will claim he is a creator. So dear friends, we have to perform 5 times salah, and we have to do amal to be free from the fitna of Dajjal. Okay, dear friends, everyone be careful, be happy. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.